Hi, welcome back. This is back end of my website. So this is where everything will be happening. This is where we're gonna be working on our SEO. The SEO in question, the one we're gonna be using is all SEO in one pack. Okay. So go to your dashboard. You go to your look out for plugins. Okay. So this is where we'll be installing new plugin. You say add new, okay, or you click on it. Then you say add new. So this is the way to add new plugin. So when you come to the new plugin you want, okay, you do what? If you have a premium one, you upload the plugin here. But this is where you can search for the keyword for the plugin you want to use. Let me use all in SEO. Okay. Okay. All in one SEO pack. Okay. So this is the one we're gonna be using. You can see here it's active. Okay. I've installed it already. You can see more than 45 million times people have installed. Okay. And for you to install a new plugin as a new person, you say install now. Let me show you what I mean here. I'm just using this one as an example. Then you activate. When you install, you activate. Okay. So this is the way to. So when you install it, it will come up here. So from here, you click on it, and then you do perform all the general settings here, which I will show you how to do it. Okay. So once you install, activate, it will come up on your left hand side of your WordPress dashboard. So it's very simple. There are so many SEO plugins here, but the two ones I will recommend you will be all in one SEO and Yoast. Some people prefer Yoast and some people prefer all in one SEO. I personally use this. It is very simple for me. I get the result I want. So if you want to use Yoast, okay, it's left for you. But for this training, it is all in one SEO. There are so many reviews on both. For you as a starter, for you to know what you're doing, or for you to start immediately to be ranked, I advise you to go for all in one SEO. I prefer it. That's what I have been using, and I have showed you where I am on first page of Google for my local business, and that is I have outranked my competitors. So this is what this training is all about, just to make sure you're on first page of Google always.